Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine photos on this device. So without any third-party application, we can combine the photos in this device. So in this device, you will get one inbuilt application shortcuts. If you are difficult to find the application shortcut, simply go to app library and search the application shortcut. Just open this one. Now we need to create a new shortcut. Tap on the plus icon on the top right side. First of all, you have to go to the library section. Tap on the plus icon on the top right side. So we are going to create a new shortcut. If you want to change the shortcut name, you can change. For this, tap on the new shortcut. Tap on rename. Simply here, I am going to enter photo collage. Tap on tick symbol. You can see. Now we need to add action to this shortcut. So first of all, we need to select the photos, right? To make a photo collage or combine photos. Tap on here, you need to search the action, select photos. You can see, tap on the option, select photos and tap on the arrow button. We need to select more than one picture. That means if we want to select multiple photos. So turn on this option, select multiple. Now after this one, tap on the option combine photos. Search the action, combine images. And here you can see this horizontally. Tap on this one and select the option in a grid. Select this one. And after this one, we need to save this photo to our photos, right? So again, search the action, save photos to photos. Select this one and it will save to recent files. And also you can change this one. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Now you can see the shortcut that we created. You can see here. So let me show you how it will work. So open the shortcut that we created now. So it will directly open the photos application, and from the photos application we have to select the photos that we want to create, that we want to combine photos. So simply here I am going to select all these 6 photos. Tap on the tick symbol on the top right side. That's it, it created. Now directly go to your photos application and go to the recent. So here you can see the combination of photos you can see here. So simply in this way, we can combine photos on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.